Hello boys and girls and welcome back to Storytime with Miss Randall. Now in today's Storytime with Miss Randall I have a great book and you may have seen this character before. Yes, it's Elmer the patchwork elephant. Now in today's story it's called Elmer and the Big Bird. Now one day Elmer notices there are no birds. No birds. How strange. But soon he finds them hiding in a nearby cave. And they're hiding from the nasty bully bird. Led by Elmer and a crew of animals, they work together to teach the bad bully a big lesson. Are you ready to start reading? Let's go. Elmer, the patchwork elephant, was watching his cousin Wilbur. Wilbur was playing voice tricks for some friends. He was making his voice come from trees a long way off. Strange, thought Elmer. No birds around. They love Wilbur's voice tricks. I wonder where they can be. Elmer left the others and went to find the birds. As he walked, he called out, "Yo-ho, birds! Where are you?" Suddenly, a bird flew out of a cave and said, "Shh, Elmer, quickly. Come inside." The cave was full of birds. "We're hiding from that huge, nasty bully bird that's on the red rock," said one. "He frightens us. Have you seen him?" "No," said Elmer. "I'll go and talk to him." "That won't do any good," sighed a bird as Elmer left. Sure enough, there was a big bird on the rock. "Hello, you're new here," said Elmer. "You're welcome to stay, but please don't frighten the little birds." "Frighten them? They'll do as I say, or I'll do more than frighten them," screeched the bird. "I like to frighten, and I'll decide if I stay or not." Elmer returned to Wilbur and the others and told them about the bully bird. "If he won't stop being nasty," said Elmer, "I'll need your help and the help of the really big bird." "The really big bird?" asked Wilbur. "Yes," said Elmer. "Here's the plan." Next, Elmer went back to the birds and said, "You're right. The bully is awful. We might need the really big bird." "The really big bird?" asked the little birds in chorus. "Yes," said Elmer. He explained what he intended to do and then said, "That bully gets one more chance. If he's still nasty, I'll call the really big bird." The bully bird saw Elmer coming, Stupid elephant, he muttered. I'll scare him. He dived straight at Elmer. Elmer hummed a little tune and pretended not to notice. The bird hurtled down, screamed, and, at the last minute, swooped up again to his rock. Elmer acted as if nothing had happened. Are you all right? Elmer asked. You sounded frightened. Frightened? Me? Fat chance. Well, said Elmer, the birds have a friend much bigger than you. Leave them in peace, or I'll call him. Bigger than me? Impossible, shrieked the bully bird. Leave them in peace indeed. Call him. Go on. Call him. Elmer trumpeted loudly. A deep voice came from far away. Where's the horrible bully who frightens little birds? In the distance, something started to rise. Boys and girls, what do you think it is? At that moment, there was a sound of running, and the animals came racing by. Run for it, Elmer! They called. The really big bird is coming! He can't be that big, stammered the bully bird. Boys and girls, I think the bully bird is getting frightened. Why do you think he's frightened, boys and girls? Because there might be a bird bigger than him. Let's see what the bully bird does next. The rising shape was an enormous bird. Let's see what a really nasty bird can do, came the voice. Oh no! I've just remembered, said the bully bird. It's Uncle's birthday! I must go. He left very quickly. Come back, coward, called the voice. But the bully bird had gone. It seems a bully bird has met his match, a bird bigger than him. How do you think the bully bird is feeling, boys and girls? I think he might be very scared. The huge bird came closer, changed shape, and started to break up. It wasn't one bird. It was all the small birds flying closely together. Laughing happily, they began to land. Wilbur came out of hiding as the other animals returned. Well done, everybody, said Wilmer. I love the voice, Wilbur. Thank you all, said one of the small birds. Now we can live normally again. From the distance came the voice of the really big bird.
That's what I call togetherness.
Elmer laughed. Thank you, Wilbur. I couldn't have put it better myself. That bully bird was awful. He was mean and liked to frighten all the little birds. Led by Elmer and the other animals, they worked together and frightened off the bully. And they succeeded. Enjoyed the story, Elmer and the Big Bird. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And I cannot wait to see you in the next story time with Miss Randall.